Just when I think that Kajabi could not get any more amazing, they keep coming out with the best new features. And in this video, I'm going to tell you my 5 favorite features that they have come out with recently. This always makes me so excited because I run my entire multiple 6-figure business on Kajabi. So when it gets better, easier to use, more feature rich, my business gets simpler, easier to run, and more profitable. And that's why I love to share with you what is new on Kajabi. My name's Lane. Welcome. We're going to start with Ama. Ama is actually an AI assistant that Kajabi is including in their Kajabi plans. So first I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then we're going to see what Kajabi actually has to say about it, and then I will show you how to use it. So this is actually what it looks like. It's up here in the upper right corner. This little button brings up Ama, and it's effectively an AI chatbot. But it has a lot of different usages, and it's built right into your Kajabi dashboard. So how to use Kajabi's conversational AI assistant. Learn to use Ama to answer your questions, quickly create high-quality content for your business, and more. So what is it? It's an interactive chatbot in Kajabi that can help you create content, research topics, write code, and support many other functions to help you save precious time building and managing your business. Simply describe what you want it to achieve, and Ama will respond with useful information to help you accomplish tasks for your business. You can ask it to write a sales email, draft up a blog post, create some new copy for your website homepage, help you research topics of interest. So it's a lot like the other large language models that we see out there, but because it's integrated into your Kajabi account and it knows a lot more about you, your business, your clients, your products, than ChatGPT would know unless you told it. It is so much more prepared, has so much more intelligence to serve you at a much deeper level. If you don't love the generated response, no problem. Just tell Ama how you'd like it improved. So again, it's just like any other large language model, but it's in there and it is included in it. Now, I just asked it a random question. I said, how can Ama help me grow my business? I'm here to support you in various ways to help grow your business, especially since you're focused on personal development through your online coaching program and courses. Here's how I can assist. Generate content for products and websites. So like idea generation, content structuring, customer support. It says I'm here to help offer guidance and creating content and growing your business. I don't replace customer support. That's actually that little question mark up here. Chat live with our support team. Kajabi support is amazing. They're always there for you. When I first got onto Kajabi, it was amazing how much they were always there to answer my questions when I needed them. By the way, if you're not on Kajabi yet, you should use my link and sign up right now because it happens to be half off for a year right now when you use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get the half off for an entire year plus my 3 bonuses, the Kajabi Accelerator course, the 25K course launch email template, which are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which did $25,000. And you get my top 3 mistakes that new Kajabi users make that I discovered helping 400 people get their start. I helped 400 people get started on Kajabi. I learned a lot about what works, what doesn't. And in this masterclass, I kind of put it all in there for you. So you get all 3 of those bonuses for free when you use my link because it is an affiliate link, which means when you do use it, I get a small commission and you get a discount for an entire year. It's a pretty amazing little arrangement. Go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi and it's only available for another few days. So if you're thinking about joining, now is the time. And by the way, if you're watching this video like after November 11th, 2024, you still get all 3 of those bonuses and you can get a 30-day free trial. The most up-to-date information is over there at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. And yes, I did say information. Topic research, social post idea generation, writing custom code for your website. This is a pretty amazing tool. And again, because it's integrated, it's right there and it's pretty awesome. Now, the second thing that is my other favorite feature is actually Creator Studio, which is somewhat related to Ama, but this is where you repurpose your content. So marketing content in minutes with Creator Studio. Repurpose any video into clips, transcripts, emails, blog posts, social posts, and more in just a few clicks. So you can save time, sell more, unlock 40 plus types of marketing content, plus transcripts and subtitles, all within Kajabi. Share worthy clips for social media, like reuse the best moments from a course lesson, coaching call, or webinar in just a few clicks. Grow and convert your audience, turn leads into customers with an engaging marketing funnel based on existing videos. So what they basically have done is they've taken the distribution and redistribution of content, which used to be something that you had to go outside of Kajabi to do, and they've brought it inside the platform, and it's amazing. So that is my second favorite feature. Number 3, live video inside of your courses and communities. Now, I won't do a full demonstration of what this looks like, but I want to point you to a playlist that I'll link at the end of this video. I did a playlist on creating and launching a live cohort course, and there's 7 videos here that walk you through it. How to launch the live course, how to host a live webinar, all inside Kajabi, how to use content to promote your online course, how to build effective sales pages on Kajabi, 6 powerful emails to launch it, how to build a live cohort course inside Kajabi, and then how to use Canva and Google Docs for course graphics. It's all there, but what I'm pointing to is that when I first got on Kajabi, live video was something that I would have to go other places to get. I no longer have to do that. I can do everything live in my community or in my courses, all hosted inside Kajabi. The reason why this makes me so happy is because when you do a live course, for example, and I've done this several times, where you get a group of people together, like 10 to 12 people, and you meet once a week for like 90 minutes, and you actually teach the content live, and then maybe do hot seats or mastermind or Q&A. And then those videos, those people who are in those courses want those recordings. Well, in the old days, you would do that like on Zoom, it would record it, and then it would download it to your computer. And then you'd have to take that downloaded file and upload it back into your course area, and then send out an email and say, hey, everybody, the course is now, the recording is now in the course. So it just added a bunch of steps. It added a bunch of, having to store and download and upload. All of that is gone, because now that same live session is done inside of Kajabi, not Zoom, and it's recorded in the moment. And then as soon as you're done, like you end the recording, it renders for a few minutes and then automatically sticks it in the course area as a lesson. And then it automatically sends to your participants, hey, the session that we just had, it is now available for you to rewatch in your course area. And of course, these are all settings that you can change if you don't want it to happen, but I'm saying all of this is available, and it's easy, and it's all inside of Kajabi, which is just another reason why it's so amazing. So number 1 was AIMA and the usage of AI. Number 2, Creator Studio. Number 3, the live video. Number 4, the branded mobile app. So we're going to go over here and check out the branded mobile app. Your brand, your app. Get the first month free when you add your branded mobile app to your Kajabi plan. No code needed. So you can start for free. Unlock new revenue streams, build brand credibility, boost engagement, send push notifications. Here's what I would say. This does cost more. This is one of the only things that you don't get with your normal Kajabi payment. Part of that is because they custom build you an app that matches your brand and is unique to you. I would say that this would make a whole lot of sense if you have a community and you want that community to be connected a lot inside of your own specific app. You can see down here, the basic plan is $89, the premium's $199. You get a whole lot even with the basic. If you've got a community and it's substantial, this is not a lot to pay to connect everybody together into a shared experience. Have push notifications available and keep them connected inside of your community. And the last feature is one that I'm super excited to tell you about. But before I do, I want to invite you to my free workshop called Turn What You Know Into Dough. It's over at lanesebring.com/workshop. This is the place to go if you want to figure out how to make your first $1,000 per month in online business on autopilot in the background of your life. That's the first step to building a business that replaces your 9-to-5. It's just making that first $1,000 a month. And in this free on-demand workshop that you can watch today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. lanesebring.com/workshop. Now, this last feature is one that is coming soon, but it's coming very soon. I was just talking to the people at Kajabi when I was there in LA just a couple weeks ago about this feature, and it's A/B testing on landing pages. What this means is that you can make 2 landing pages that are, let's say they're selling the exact same product, but you use completely different copy on both landing pages. So maybe on landing page A, you try one strategy, and then over on landing page B, you try another strategy. And then people are randomly landing on either A or B. And to the end user, they just go to your site. Like it'd be like if you went to my main landing page for my main course, lanesebring.com/fastlane, and you just go to the page and it's the page. But someone else goes to the page and it's slightly different, uses slightly different wording. I get to see which one of those pages performs better. Which one of those pages leads to more conversions? Which one of those pages keeps people on it longer? Which one of those pages leads to more clicks onto the buy now button? That is an amazing, amazing thing to have built in, and it's coming soon, and I'm super pumped about it. So again, if you're not on Kajabi yet, these are 5 relatively new things that they've rolled out in the last year, some of these even sooner than that. I'm so excited about it. lanesebring.com/Kajabi. If you're not on there, be sure, join using my link. Do it before November 11th. And if it's past the 11th, still get the 30-day free trial plus all 3 bonuses. lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Now, I promised you that at the end of this video, I would give you a playlist to how to do a live cohort style course in Kajabi. And that is right here. Go ahead, click on that. I'll see you inside that playlist, and we'll get to hang out for a little bit longer.